Yep, we're here in Welcome to Pool.
Right. Our life in the Philippines, we're here at Vilcon and we are going to go and buy some parts, I think, so we can modify our transport cage in the back of the motorcycle. So come on, have a look with us.
It's so hot today.
Yeah, it's really hot. It gotta be 30 degrees at least. So that's Vilcon, huh?
Yep, it's over there. We're going inside.
Right.
We're doing window shop.
Doing a lot of shopping.
Up. Okay, we're here inside the Welcome to Pool. Look at, see guys, it's huge.
It is a big warehouse for sure. We got huge sections here for tile flooring. I wonder where do they have electrical?
Then we need to ask the employee to
Where
start.
do you have electrical? Over on that side.
Thank you.
It's over there. See if we can find where we're looking for.
Pipe plant.
Yeah, you have. You know what I'm talking about, right?
What size your
Half inch board.
Requesting for G6, please visit the information. Once again, G6 to information, please.
Hey, down that way. Okay, so it's probably down here. Let's go. You don't have stock?
Yes, sir.
Electric pipe, piping, half inch, 3/4. You don't have stock? All right. And no clamps?
No clamp.
Okay.
We have clamps, but smaller ones, sir. But for the our logo for the big ones, sir, we don't have clamps.
Yeah. For, you know, electric piping, how you clamp it to the wall and that kind of stuff, right? And you don't have any of that. Man. Okay, that's a builder's warehouse for you. They don't have nothing. Wait a minute. Let's see. That's unbelievable. All right, we didn't have much luck in here finding anything. They don't even have clamps for electrical pipes, plumbing pipes. So we're gonna try something different. We're saying bye-bye to Wilcon for now.
Guys, we're going to the other warehouse. So stay tuned to our journey here in our life in the Philippines. It's really hot here in the Philippines. So we're here in the hardware, Feliciano hardware. Let's see if we can find it here.
Yeah, I'm not so sure we can find it here either. Hey, I'm looking for some clamps, pipe clamps, you know, like we have. You know the ones that are looking like here, right? So screw goes in here and then the pipe runs in here, something like that.
What's that, sir?
Like a pipe clamp.
Pipe?
Yeah, pipe clamp or something, right? Clamp.
Lamp.
Yeah, for piping.
Yeah, but they don't have fingers.
Well, that could work. Let me. I'm doing. How many you got? You have 4? All right. Now you see that's what I was talking
I
about.
mean, they don't have to turn on
Only one. Yeah, but this is fine. This is fine. Now. Let me go to the motorcycle. I'm going to go and check with my motorcycle because I'm building a transport box.
Okay.
11.
Now he's checking it if it's fit on the bike. As you can see over there.
They're actually a little too big. They're actually a little too big, but we can put. They're actually a little too big, but yeah, it's a little too big. We have any smaller now. Okay. How much are these? 9 pesos each. Okay. Now I need bolts. Yeah. Bolted up. 2 inches, 2 1/4. Yeah, that goes in this hole.
Or maybe we can adjust that one to make it.
Now what you do, you put electrical tape around the pipe so
Yeah.
it makes big,
Yeah.
and then you clamp it.
Okay.
And that protects the pipe too from scratching.
We have electrical pipe.
Huh?
We have electrical pipe.
No, I need to buy that too.
Let me show it here. Show it here what you the one.
I'm gonna make a little modified thing.
How many
It
did you
could
buy?
be a screw too, you know, if you have screw with nut.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. That is fine. How long is this one?
Video.
That one looks better to me.
Which one?
The longer one.
16 by 1 1/2, sir.
All right, do you have any longer?
Long?
Longer. Yeah. There you go. Now we're hitting somewhere.
Okay.
Then you give me
2, 4, 6, 8.
yeah, give me 8 of those. All right, and washers. You have washer, flat washer.
You want this water?
That'll be fine. That'll be fine.
6, 8.
Okay. So where are they at here? Right now, I need something else. On the inside, I'm actually going to tie a cooler to my back bracket on my motor. I need some flat, do you have some flat bar, metal bar?
Metal bar.
We don't have any flat bar.
Okay. How about big washers?
Like this.
Right? But maybe smaller hole. The washer size is good, but the hole. Yeah, that's all right. Give me 8 of those.
How many, sir?
8. Oh yeah, so you go to a multi-million-dollar builder's warehouse, and they have nothing, and you go to a small little hardware store here, and I got everything I needed for, how much was it? Like 66 pesos?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. All right.
What are you doing, Han?
Now I'm going to try to make the holes and see if we can make this thing stick to the truck or to the bike.
Yep. Is it working?
Well, I'm making the holes.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. It's working. Let me see. Yeah, it's working over there. Small hole.
Yeah. And then we clamp it.
On the side?
Yeah, we clamp it right here. Here and here and here, and then it ain't going nowhere. And we can go to Bataan and get some fish.
Yeah, maybe next week.
Well, now, we should have a number of holes in there.
Oh, there you go. That one is over there.
So now, what we're going to do is try to force the
Malaki yung upuan, di ba?
Okay, so now we're putting a little bit of electrical tape where the clamps are going to go. And then when we're done with that, it's time to clamp down this box, and I don't think it's going to go anywhere. What do you think, hon?
Yeah, it's good.
Huh? Think it's good?
Yeah.
Alright, great.
Okay, now we're putting some, what's that one?
Huh?
What is it? The,
We are now putting the clamps at the bottom that will hold the box to this motorcycle bracket in the back here. Look at that.
Yeah, that one's stable.
Yeah, now I'm just going to take a screwdriver and try to tighten this whole thing up.
Is it working? Underneath? Oh yeah. That's good.
Yeah. All right.
That's for survival.
Look at that. Yeah.
Look at inside the box. Oh, it's pretty cool.
Alright, so now I gotta
Now it's good.
so that will work.
Yeah.
That's how you do the motorcycle box.
Yep. Look at that. That one goes to our motorcycle on the back. Look at that.
And it ain't going on. That's it.
Yeah, that's it for today, and hope you enjoy watching our journey here. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye for now.
Hey, this is our life in the Philippines. Hey, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Hurry up. Hit it right now. Oh, or is it over on this side? No, it's here, I think. Go ahead, hit it. Thank you for watching.